Hey guys, it's me, Dirtbike Dude here, back with another video. And today we're just gonna be riding around on my cousin's bikes. Oh, and this is my friend. This is my cousin Kyler, and we're just gonna be riding around for a couple minutes, and then we'll climb a tree or something, and then we'll do something fun with you guys. Okay? So.
I'll show you a thing that I made.
Yeah, we'll show him a thing. We'll show you guys a thing that this kid made right here. Okay, ready? We're going. Oh, and we'll also do a couple tricks on the way. I'll record my cousin doing some tricks, but I can't really record and do this at the same time. But might try to pop some moves. So yeah. Hey, Kyler, you want to do some moves? How to do some tricks? Like, what tricks can you do? Wow, he's going pretty fast. Whoa! Hi, Belle! You okay?
Yeah, right. I try to turn around like a corner. Please, some of you didn't get that.
Yeah, I did.
Can you delete them things?
No. Or else, I don't know how to. It doesn't show up on my phone, but if I had a computer, guys, I would edit out stuff and put stuff in. But I don't.
I
Might
might be able to do it.
be able to do what? But yeah, we'll be riding around for a little bit, and in a little bit we'll go climb a tree or something, and then we'll show you my cousin's thing that he made. It's pretty cool, but yeah, we're on the farm right now, and what happened? Where?
Bald eagle.
Where? Right there?
Yeah.
No, I think that's just a hawk.
Well, there's my little dog Peaches.
Peaches!
Hey, Peach. Peaches.
Peaches! Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Peaches! Peaches! Whoa. Okay, guys. We're gonna be heading out right now to go climb up that tree right. Hang on. Go climb up that tree right. Hang on. Not the one with the corn feeder in it, but the one right there. Right there. We're riding that one. I mean, we're gonna climb up that one. And we were gonna make a tree fort, but we didn't have the wood and supplies for it. But yeah, we're gonna be climbing that in a little bit.
Shut up, Daddy.
He wrecked again. You okay, Kyler?
Yeah.
I didn't get that one on video.
Rosie B's following him. Rosie B's following me. Rosie! Rosie!
Rosie!
Rosie!
Hi, baby.
Hey, let's show him some stuff. Rosie!
Huh.
Some of the things.
Okay. Some of the what?
The tractors and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
There's one that's...
Yeah, there's one of our tractors.
That's Malcolm Mark.
Yeah. And,
right behind us is Swamp Buggy.
Swamp Buggy. And here's some trailers.
There's two of them that's cows, but one's for a couple. Most of them...
Yeah. And there's the horse barn. And there's the feed barn back there. And here's the barnyard. What'd you say there?
From my uncle
We're about, there's the hog pen right there. Wait, I think hog trap right there. And there is the hunting buggy. There's another tractor. There's the beautiful horses right there. Crap, wow. It is freaking dark out here. There we go. Oh, wait.
Hey, they're calling us.
Hang on, guys. We're being called. We're being called right now. But yeah, we'll see you in a little bit. Come on, let's go. I think we spotted it. Wild wildebeests here.
What do you spell? What do you spell?
What is that?
Yeah, Tyler! Go!
She looks like a little rabbit out there. And there's another dog, one of our dogs. I forgot what his name was. But yeah, that's another one of our dogs. We have two more dogs. Their name is Buster and Penny. Yeah.
Now I'm supposed to show you a thing that I made.
Yeah. Hang on, guys. Let me zoom out real quick.
That's got to be cleaned up right here at this back door.
Uh-oh.
Take this to the dumpster, Kylie.
Uh-oh. Gotta do some chores. But look, this is what my cousin made. Looks pretty snappy. Ow, stupid mosquito.
And pretty hard.
Ow. But he's taking out the trash right now. And I'm gonna ride the ripstick for a little bit while he takes out that.
Take it to the dumpster and watch it.
Yeah. He's taking that out to the dumpster right now. That thing over, it's not. Yes, ma'am? Ma'am? Okay. Yes, ma'am. Here.
How many corn dogs you want?
Just two.
Huh?
Just two. But yeah, guys, that will almost include our video. We are about to whoa, guys.
Rosie.
Hey guys, I'm poor and I need some mother.
Hey, butthead. You butthead. You butthead.
Did you see her? Up and down.
There's my cuz. Okay, we're about to go climb the tree.
Hi.
There's the freaky one.
And the annoying one. And the freaky. Crazy.
Yeah. There's the wild bunch.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go climb the tree right now. Oh, sorry guys, but it's gonna be a little bumpy. But there's the tree we're climbing right there. Yeah, let's get up there. Oh, there goes the wild kid. What are you doing? Oh, there he is. In there. You guys can't come up here, little guys, because it's a big tree.
Yeah, you're way too annoying.
You're gonna have to record it real quick.
He's trying to get his big old fat butt up there.
Hey.
If he can. What? Mine's smaller than yours. Yours is huge as elephants. Here. I'm just gonna hand him the camera.
Okay, guys. We're up here. And it took us about 4 days to get up here. And yeah, we're finally up here. Oh, wow, it took you just a couple seconds. Wow. You're pretty fast.
Cause my hands are I have a good hand. I have a good grip with my hands. All right, we're finally up here.
Yeah. And there is
The
the bulls in the cow pen over there. And there's the camp over there. This is Mr. Lefty's
my dad's
property.
boss
Yeah.
camp.
Yeah. And we're up in the tree. Here, let me get you guys a better view of the sunset. It's okay.
It's not, because I think it was hard. I'll be right back.
He'll be right back. There is the sunset. Guys, it has been an amazing day with you guys. I mean, I love you guys. I love the dirt bike dudes. And please like and subscribe this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll leave my cousin's channel down below. Not that one that we were just saying, but I'll leave my other cousins and my brother's channel down below. And peace.